Australian chiropractor has posted a confronting video of him cracking the back of a crying baby at just 4 days old. The chiropractor treats a range of patient ailments, including colic, which this 2-week-old premature baby was suffering at the time. Doctors have condemned the shocking video. This is actually Melbourne chiropractor Ian Rossborough, and he was using this spinal manipulation treatment to treat colic in this little tiny baby. But obviously, it's confronting to watch. Some people who, undergo chiropractic treatment, they swear by it. What do you think?
But they're grown-ups.
They're not doctors.
And I look at that and I do find it a little concerning. Paediatricians advise parents not to take newborn babies or young children to a chiropractor, and so I would very much be guided by a paediatrician who is an expert in newborn health as opposed to going to a chiropractor, because paediatricians can't rule out that there's not possibly the risk of long-term spinal damage to a newborn baby.
And there have been cases in 2013, a baby had its spine...
Neck broken.
Its neck
broken
What
by a
about the
chiropractor.
colic?
Because it's millimetres away from being...
You've had 4 babies. I mean, I would really... I'm not a doctor, but colic at 4 days old? I mean, you'd hardly be feeding. It takes you a couple of days for the baby to get used to your breast. And then you're telling me it's got colic. See, I just don't think a baby would... You'd know if a baby had colic. I think colic comes a little bit later in the cycle.
Absolutely, but people who are passionate about chiropractic are just really passionate about it, and the parents would automatically want their children to be treated that way. It's just such a divisive health thing.
Yeah, I mean, if
doctors are anti it usually.
If adults think it makes them feel better or whatever, fine, go, spend your money, that's great. But for the love of God, stay away from bloody kids. It's just outrageous. And obey medical professionals.
I mean, the baby wouldn't have left hospital. I know they turf mothers out, but usually they let you stay there for 2 days.
Oh, these days it's 24 hours. It can be sometimes.
There were the incident in the 2013 incident, which was reported to the chiropractic board, and they actually shut the case without probably reporting. The doctors were absolutely furious. There was evidence of, in another case, there was evidence of chiropractors being in hospitals without the required permission. Like, this is outrageous and it cannot stand.
And saying that, I have a girlfriend whose baby had some pretty bad reflux. She found it was helpful for her. Her little girl was a little bit older though, but it's certainly a highly divisive, as you say, Claire, topic, that's for sure.